Good afternoon, everybody. It is Thursday, the 25th of March, 2021. The time is 10 minutes past 2 GMT. Welcome to a bit of afternoon Bitcoin Caumedy news. Let's crack on with it. So, this article here from Cointelegraph says, the last dip is the deepest as wife leaves husband for buying more shitcoin. Whoever said love cuts across all boundaries said it before Coin was invented. Let's see what this is. The pressure of trying to sell Coin at a price top is proving too much for some couples. A Reddit post revealed that a man's wife left him after he refused to sell his Coin holdings when the price hit $60,000 and instead loaded up on more BTC during the recent dip. And that dip is still going on at the moment. In a post titled, "My wife is leaving because Coin," user Parker Meter said his wife packed her bags and went to live with her sister after she caught him converting more cash into Coin. The Reddit user wrote, quotes, "She just left to go stay at her sister's. She's super mad that I didn't sell at 60k and looks at the price often scolding me. I keep telling her we don't need the money and have the cash. We live nice. However, today she caught me buying the dip and was so pissed she almost hit me. Now she packed her bags and went to her sister's to stay." Ooh. The trading acumen of the poster's wife is unknown. However, her instinct to sell when Coin hit an all-time high of 61,321 on March 13th would have prevented a 15% loss, given the coin's trajectory since then. But at the same time, if the husband bought the dip when Coin struck a 2-week low of 52,182 earlier on Thursday morning, which aligns with the timing of this post, he would have ridden the bounce to 2.2% gains by the time of publication. But user Parking Meter doesn't seem too concerned either way. His post ended with a look to the future in which he naturally sees himself using sports cars as leverage in a well-known courtship ritual. She said not to talk to her. This is where I need help. Where is a good place to pick up girls in my Lambo? Oh dear. I mean, like, it is kind of funny, like, just laughing at the confidence that these shitcoiners have. I mean, literally, if they only knew what we knew, or what we know now, like, in Bitcoin, as to the fact that there is literally no fundamental in Coin, and as Chamath Palihapitiya said, it is a confidence game. There is no real utility in this thing. And in fact, I think that might be worth us having a quick reminder, because I always love to giggle at these things. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on one sec. I know it's around here somewhere. Show videos, that's the one. Take the floor, Chamath Palihapitiya. It is a confidence game, as he says. Here we go.
This is a thing that either goes to roughly the value of gold, and at the time it was about $100 a coin, and so there's very little downside. There's all this asymmetric upside. I said take 1% of your net worth and buy this schmuck insurance. This is now a confidence game, right? There is no real utility in this.
You just called it a confidence game, which is a con game.
And we've done okay. The economy's built.
Oh dear. You've got to laugh. And look at this. Crypto markets dump $150 billion as Coin correction deepens. So basically, as shitcoiners start shitting themselves. The total crypto market capitalization has dumped 8.6% in less than 24 hours as the Coin correction escalates. Ooh, again, there is no tether being pumped into the market. The correlation is just so blatantly obvious. Tether stopped printing. I mean, even after they'd been fined, they still printed like $1.5 billion. But they haven't printed anything since. And look at what's happening. Like, there is no utility in this thing. As Chamath just said, it has all been Tether pumping it. Unless kind of like USDC takes its place and starts doing the same thing, they're going to be screwed, really. The cryptocurrency markets are a sea of red during the morning's Asian trading session, as Corecoin losses are felt heavier across the rest of the ecosystem. Around $150 billion has exited the market over the past 24 hours, as the total market cap fell from an intraday high of $1.81 trillion to current levels at $1.66 trillion. Technical analysis Michael van der Pop has eyed the 1.5 trillion level as critical support. Oh dear, critical support. We all know what critical means. That means, it's like, could be a touch and go, as they say. So we've got, he said here, as long as the total market capitalization of crypto remains above 1.5 trillion, this one is still very bullish and on the road to 2 trillion. Ooh. Well, what if it dips below that? What then? Increased escalation, as in like people exiting the market. I mean, the fact is, it's not like any business is going to go bust if it loses capitalization. It's not like a business is suddenly like going to run out of cash flow or a bank isn't going to lend to it. They're literally just pieces of absolute garbage, unless they have utility, of which, we know that Corecoin has none. But yeah, I mean, when people realize that it does nothing and it is useless, why would you hodl it? Why would you hodl it in the first place? Well, because they haven't figured out that they've been misled by all these shitcoiners anyway. The massive market slump has been led by Corecoin as usual, as the asset fell through support at $54,000 and is heading for the next level. Following 10 days of consolidation, BTC prices broke through support on March 22nd and have continued upwards since. Yeah, because Tether's been printing. The next level of support at the 50-day exponential moving average, which is currently a little over $50,000. This technical indicator is where support was found during the first two corrections, according to TradingView BTC USD chart. Let's have a quick look at that. See what this brings up. TradingView. Wonder if they've got shorts that we can look at. Markets. Cryptocurrencies. Corecoin. Let's have a little look. It's actually quite a good site, this, isn't it? Wow. Got lots of comparisons there. My goodness. Oh, it looks like, I mean, it's good, but they charge you for it. Free trial. Yeah, not really interested in paying for that. All those shit coins on it, but anyway. 51,825. I'll have a look at that in just a minute. In fact, let's just go back there. Corecoin US dollar. We'll just do 1 day. Look at that. Dipped again. A double dip. A double dip in 1 day. Shitcoiners are going to be squeaky bum time. I would say. At the time of writing, BTC was trading down 2% over the past 24 hours at 53,300. Following a low of 51,700 during Asian trading. Crypto's biggest losers. Ethereum has followed its big brother with a dump of 4% on the day to fall below $1,600 for the first time since March 6th. The total correction for ETH since its $2,000 all-time high is 22% to current prices. These losses are relatively mild compared to some others, such as Uniswap, which has tanked more than 10% on the day to trade at $27.75, according to CoinGecko. Uniswap users and investors may have been vexed at the lack of Layer 2 scaling when DEX launches V3 on May 5th. What a load of crap. Shout out to BSV Russia in the house. IOTA has slumped a similar amount following a DeFi partnership announcement. Again, shitcoin partnerships getting in bed with each other. It's going to stink. Any survivors? There are not many survivors on this Red Thursday, but Cardano has managed to stay afloat with a 1.5% gain. Oh my god. on the day to trade at $1.13. Filecoin's File token has also done well with 9% pump. Again, what an absolute low. What a joke. What a joke. While NXP, I mean, it just goes to show you there is no rationale or fundamental understanding in this market. Literally, you know, traders going, oh, you know, it's all about what you could have made. You never hear about the people that lose. You just ask an experienced trader. The majority of people end up losing. You know, again, I would not want to be one of these traders that tries to advise people because, like, you know, you're on the hook when they lose money. You know, and they might slap you on the back and say, oh, thanks, you know, I made a bit of money. But losing money, you know, suddenly fingers pointed, accusations get made, nightmare. The next few days will be critical in determining if this is just another correction in an upward trend or the bull market has finally come to an end. Well, Tether is no longer printing. Well, it doesn't look like it. That's what the entire market has been dependent on all this time. Oh my God. Let's have a quick look at the coin crap. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Is this on the week? See what it looks like. Yeah, I mean, 10% down on the week, but look, like down today. Yeah, that should be more significant, really. And down again, a double dip. A double dip in 24 hours. Shitcoiners be like, why? And then, you know, all of a sudden price pumps up again because dirty traders doing their thing, you know, and then everything's fine again. But it's because they don't understand what's going on. So they're gonna, you know, shit themselves, basically. Look at that. Nice little dip there for Bitcoin. I mean, I did go in here yesterday, but then also went in here this morning. So that's all right. But I mean, look at that. That's still pretty strong, but you know, we'll have to wait and see. Let's have a look at the overall week. Oh, just slight down on the month, but okay, 3 months. Oh yeah, I mean, look, that is still starting from here, February 28th. Look at that. That's still a really strong uptrend. That's a really strong uptrend. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. I think, and that kind of like looks genuine because there's real strength there. It's not kind of like too sharp, you know, traders just simply cashing out these little spikes in the price here. Ooh, yeah. Juicy times. Right then, peeps. We'll leave it there. Shout out to Sav Toshi in the house as well. And Sylvian Coutier. Yeah, nice one. Right, boys, that's been a quick 14-minute show. That'll do. Bit of comedy news for this afternoon. Catch you guys later for the live show, live at 5. Enjoy your day. Get paid for posting your pics on Relica. Download the app now at www.getrelica.com. Get your tweet etched on Twitch, forever on the Bitcoin blockchain. Do it today at www.jointwitch.com. BuyBSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online. Support independent content creators on micropayment platforms such as Streamanity, Twitch and Relica. We should profit from our data, not the large corporations who track, monitor and sell it. If you enjoy the Bitcoin content that I produce, please support me by heading over to www.satoshi.tv, where you can keep up to date with all the latest news, gossip and content as it's created. Thanks very much. To get started in Bitcoin, go to freebsv.com, where you can claim your free Bitcoin. Then head over to Twitter and follow @IamSatoshi, where you can take part in his very generous and world famous free giveaways. The future of advertising meets the power of Bitcoin at Tonic Pow. Get paid for posting advertising campaigns to your social media profiles. Go to www.tonicpowads.com.